Hello and welcome to the eLearning for Humankind channel, where we explore e-learning software, apps, hardware, and technology. I'm Sheri Lee, a professional instructional designer and e-learning content developer. In this episode, we're going to explore the basics of Adobe Captivate's Workspace. Be sure to subscribe, click the notification button, and comment below with questions, feedback, things you want me to cover or review, or just say hi. The Adobe Captivate welcome screen opens when you launch Adobe Captivate 2019. When you open Captivate, the welcome screen opens to one of the three tabs. Here, when I open Captivate, it opened to the Recent tab, showing a thumbnail of a recent project I worked on. The Recent tab displays thumbnails of projects you've recently worked on or recently opened. If this is your first time opening Captivate, the Recent tab will be blank. I've blurred out this project because it's a client project. You can also click the Browse button in the lower left corner of the Recent tab. Clicking the Browse button will open the File Explorer in Windows or the Finder window on a Mac. You can then select your project and click Open. Click Cancel for now so we can continue to explore the Captivate Workspace. Click the New tab. Here you can see the thumbnails for the types of projects you can create in Captivate. You can create responsive projects, virtual reality projects, blank projects, software simulations, video demos, or from PowerPoint. Or you can create other types of new projects by going to the File menu, selecting New Project, and select one of the project types you see on the list. We will talk about each type of Captivate's new projects in more detail later. Now let's look at the Resources tab. Click the Resources tab. Under the Resources tab, you will see Adobe provides a number of quick start sample projects and video tutorials on new and essential features. Click the New tab and click once to select Blank Project. With a blank project selected, notice the Canvas drop-down list in the lower left corner. Once the blank project opens, you will see the main elements of the default Captivate workspace. Film strip is on the left. Menu is at the top just above the toolbar. The toolbar at the top contains Captivate's frequently used tools and options like adding new slides, changing the theme, adding text, adding shapes and objects, adding interactions, saving, previewing, publishing projects. There are many more tools and options found on the menu above the toolbar. To the right of the toolbar, you'll see Assets, Library, and Property Inspector. The Property Inspector allows you to change the properties of slides and objects. The objects in the Properties Inspector are content sensitive, which means that the options appear based on the selected object on a slide or the selected slide. The Timeline, Library, and Properties Inspector are hidden by default to provide you more working space. To open the timeline, double-click the timeline bar at the bottom of the screen. Double-click the timeline bar to close the timeline. Click the Properties icon to open the Properties Inspector and the Library icon to open the library. The library is a repository of audio, video, images, and animations. The center of the screen is the stage. The stage is the center of the Captivate window. The stage includes the canvas and the scratch area. The stage is the area where you will add all of the elements and content of your course. Now you have a basic overview of the workspace for Adobe Captivate projects. In our next video, we'll talk about these areas in more detail. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.